In our parts of speech series, we are going to learn conjunction. Our first question is what the conjunction is. Then we will learn 4 types of conjunction. After this, we also will learn commonly used conjunctions in English. Let's start what the conjunction is. The word conjunction derived from Latin word conjoin, conjoin, which mean connect. The definition of conjunction is: a conjunction is a word which joins together words, phrases, sentences, classes. For example, let's learn with an example. Hamid. First example, Hamid and Ali are friends. Hamid and Ali are friends. And is conjunction which is joining two nouns Hamid and Ali. Hamid and Ali are friends. She is a doctor. She is a doctor and his brother. And his brother is a teacher. She is a doctor and his brother is a teacher and is conjunction. Our second question is about types of conjunctions. There are 4 types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and conjunctive conjunctions. First of all, the number 1, coordinating conjunctions and its examples. And, but, yet, or, but are the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Number 2, subordinating conjunctions. Because, after, although, if are the examples of subordinating conjunctions. Number 3, correlative conjunctions. Either are, neither nor, not only, but also are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Number 4, conjunctive conjunctions. However, therefore, in addition are the examples of conjunctive conjunctions. Now, our last question about most commonly used conjunctions in English language. And, but, are, nor, also, though, because, therefore, when, until, thus, how, both are most used in English language. Hopefully, dear students, I have been able to teach you about conjunctions and their meanings and their uses in English.